Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me for my Christmas ball later. So I've done this last year and I think the year before, so it's my university course, like Christmas sort of like prom ball, whatever you want to call it. So I thought I would show how I get ready for it basically. So I haven't done my hair or makeup yet, but I know what I'm wearing, so that's a good start. But yeah, so I'm just going to do sort of like simple, elegant makeup, but I have bought lashes, so we're going to try and use these bad boys. So I've got individual ones just from Primark, and then these ones, which are also from Primark, but they're £5 ones, so they're deluxe lashes by Suzanne Jackson, I think. So I'm going to give those a go. I never really wear fake lashes, so this is going to be fun. But no, I'm just going to jump straight to it. I'm going to do half my makeup first and then move on to hair, because I want to do an updo, and that's stressful because I've never done one before. But my hair is currently quite manageable because I had it blow dried a few days ago, like blow dried, curled, if that makes sense, which is still going strong. So I'm going to do like an updo and then have little curls down, and I've got my curlers, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So wish me luck. So I'm going to go ahead now and do my eyebrows using this 3-in-1 thing from Primark. I just use, it's got some brown powder in and then a brush, and that's pretty much my eyebrows done. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline, here's a nicer one, the Maybelline like instant anti-age eraser. It's a concealer basically, but I use it, that's all I wear. I then don't put a foundation on top because it just feels too heavy for me. So I'm going to see whether this is enough to do my whole face, but chances are I'll have to start the new one, which is why I got it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. That's the eyebrows and the base face done. So now I'm just gonna set the concealer using this is just a natural collection powder, and then also do some highlighting and contouring before I move on to my hair. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave my lips and eyes till last, just so they're, I don't know, I can spend a lot of time on my eyes, so I just think make sure the hair's all done, and then I can decide whether to just put lashes on or actually do something, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go pop these on. To apply this, I just use one of these, I don't know what their actual correct name is, but I call them a toothbrush brush, because they just, I don't know, the bristles just remind me of that. So I just dab that under the eyes, because I don't want to basically take off all the stuff I've just put on my face. Just like that. And then for my highlighting contour, I use a fan brush for the highlighter, and whatever you call this, like flat brush, just to draw on the contour like that. So I'm going to do my contour first. Yeah, I need to make sure I blend this. And then on my nose, I just draw little lines there, just to give it a bit more definition. Just like that. So I'm now going to blend this all out. And then for the highlight, I just sort of try and pick up as much as I can. Sometimes I use like 3 different ones just to get the effect I want, but I'll add on more as I go through. This is just sort of the base one, to get a gist of what it looks like. I also drag it down a bit just so it's on my cheeks a little bit, just because I think it gives that sort of like glow look, if you like. And then I put a little bit underneath my brows, just like that. So that's the base to what I'm going for the look. So I'm now going to move on to my hair. So now it's time to do my hair. So the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to get like some wispy bits, like these bits here, from the front of my face, that they're sort of like my shorter layers. And I'm going to keep those separate because I'm going to curl those out of the updo, because I want to have some bits falling down. I might also keep some little ones down here as well, so I'm just going to pick those out and get it up. They're the bits I've left down, so just like a few bits and bobs, and then if I don't like them I'll just pin up different ones, but I'll curl those so they'll be quite a bit shorter. But now onto the hairs. So ideally I want it to sort of look effortlessly like up and not look tightly pinned up. I want it quite loose, just so I don't look like a complete egg. That's the plan anyway, so I'm gonna get on trying to do that. so I've got it up in the ponytail now, so what I'm going to do is I'm now going to curl these like front bits and make sure they're how I want them, and then also curl over some of the things in the ponytail, because what I'm going to do is I'm then just going to like lift the curls up and like make some sort of like curly updo thing like that. And I bought clips like these from Claire's. They've got like pearls and diamonds all over, and they just slide in, so they'll make whatever I do look pretty. So that's my backup plan. And then I also got these ones because my jewellery theme is pearls and diamonds, and I thought they're really pretty, those. So they're going to go in my hair. I just need to get something up, and it needs to last the night, so I need to make sure it's, you know, a sturdy updo. But I think it's ready to curl. Right, I'm going to get on with it. Okay, so what I've done is I've like put up a ponytail, then scrunched it into a bun and pulled out some of the curls here. So I'm then gonna like clip those up. So they'll still be like dangling down sort of thing, but they'll be in place. So let's see how this goes. So that's my hair all done. So I put some of the clips in just to hold some of the curls, but it just looks like this. So I can't actually see the back of my hair, so I'm about to replay this video. So if you're watching this right now, this is my hair. So these little like curls here, they'll probably drop a bit. I can put them behind my ears or like down behind my face, but it's a really princessy look, and I'm only going to put one pack of these in. So I used one pack, and I've got all these in case I need them. So I'll bring them with me in case stuff starts falling out my hair, but it actually feels weirdly secure. So I'm very happy with that. So I'm now going to move on to my eye makeup. So for my eyes, I think I'm just going to do really simple eyeshadow, just put a little bit there so it's a different colour to my face. But I'm just going to use whatever's left in here to sort of prime my eyelids. Voila. Just so the stuff sticks to it. So I'm now going to use my lovely palette from Primark, which I actually really rate. Like, it's really nice. So these are the colours. It's got a whole range. So I'm just going to stick very light and quite sparkly, basically. So I'm going to do that and then be back, just because I'm a little tight on time. So I feel like if I film myself doing it, it just always takes longer, basically. So I'll be back. My eye makeup all done. So I went like from silver glitter to gold glitter, and then put a little bit of darker stuff just in the corners to sort of act like eyeliner. But I'm about to put lashes on, so I'll probably have to redo all of that. But let's just go with it. So that's what they look like. I hope they're symmetrical, but it doesn't really matter. I think they look about right. So I'm going to go put my lashes on now. They just look like this. They're the Molly brand, like the Molly ones. What am I trying to say here? The Molly range, because they do loads of different named ones. That's what I meant. So I really hope my hair stays. I love the colour difference because I've had it balayaged. So the ends are lighter than the roots, but I kind of think it looks cute. Because this is my last ever ball. Well, that's a lie. I have a summer one, but you don't wear like floor-length ball gowns to that, unfortunately. Oh no. It doesn't come with glue. Please, please, please. Okay, I think the individual ones have glue. Or do they? Oh no, these don't have glue either. Oh my god. Stress. I'm gonna have to see if one of my housemates has some glue. Yeah, neither of them have adhesive. Oh my god, I didn't know how to buy that separately. Okay, panic over. My flatmate had some nice glue to lend me. So it's only a little pot, but it lasts for multiple pairs. So I've just stolen that after she did her lashes. So this is what they look like. They're just very natural looking ones. And then if they're not va-va-voom enough, I'm gonna add a load of these in, and I have 60. So it's gonna be fun. So I'm just gonna peel. I hope these aren't too long. I reckon that's about perfect. Where'd it go? What is happening? Like, everything was going so well and now I've just dropped an eyelash somewhere. Oh no. Fuck's sake. There we go. Right. I'm gonna go glue these on and then I'll be back. And that's the finished eye look. So I'm now just gonna put some lipstick on. I'm thinking nude will be best. So I was just trying to find it. This is the nude I normally wear, which is just Velvet Teddy by MAC. Just looks like that. Just goes with everything. Keeps it safe. So I'm gonna pop this. So that's the finished makeup and hair look. It's kind of subtle, but also not subtle for me because I never wear this much makeup, but it feels quite nice. My eyelashes feel really weird wearing these, so I hope I put them on right and not put them in the wrong place, but I think they look alright, which is the main thing. So I'm going to pick out my jewellery now and put my dress on. So that's the jewellery I've gone with. They're just these diamond and pearl like drop ones from Claire's, and then I've just put very nice little dainty diamonds in my other piercings just to keep it very classy, if you like. And then there's just pointy necklace here. I was torn between necklaces actually. I had bought this one because obviously the theme I'm going for is pearls and diamonds, so this one's like sparkly pearls, but I think because the neckline is like that, I think a pointy one goes better. And then the bracelet is just this really nice, very delicate crisscross, and then I painted my nails to match my dress. I really wanted to get them done properly, but I left it a bit too late to book, so we had to just go with Emma's skills, but again, they turned out alright. And then my shoes, let me go grab them. So my shoes are these super sparkly, just stiletto ones, but they're really comfy actually. I got them in a size 6, I'm normally a 5, but I've just put like the gel stuff at the front and at the back, and they stay on my feet, so we're winning. But I'll go pop everything on and then show you the finished look. So I've got it all together now, but my room's just not the right shape to get you a full body shot, but I've tried to put the camera as far this way as I can so you guys can see it like as much as me as possible. But this is the dress, so it's just this beautiful like, I didn't even know, this has been in my cupboard for ages, but I've never actually worn it, so I thought I'd whip it out for this one. But it's so gorgeous, it just fits perfectly. And then unfortunately I couldn't find a silver clutch in time to match my shoes. So we've had to match a black velvet one, but I think it looks fine because it's just such a understated, subtle bag. So we're going with that, but let me waddle down. So it just looks like this. So it's got a lovely slit just on the left leg, but then the rest of it's really just like classy and understated, and the back is quite low, just there. The jar. So this is my look, and then my shoes are the one thing you can't see right now. Ta-da! So yeah, but if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see all the photos probably before this video is even up. But if not, I'll link it down below so you can check those out. This is my final like Christmas ball So no, I hope it's a lovely evening, but I'll soon find out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think of my dress. I'm obsessed. Yeah, I'll be back with more soon. So thanks for watching.